Did you know that drone delivery services are not just a thing of the future, but are already here and they're changing the landscape of insurance in Ontario? Hi, I'm Francois Kern, and welcome back to Ontario Insurance Tips, your go-to guide for all things insurance in our beautiful province. Now, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our expert tips and insights. We're all about helping you understand insurance better and save money in the process. And if you're already part of our community, welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's quite literally soaring to new heights: drone delivery services. As these unmanned aircraft systems become more prevalent, they're bringing with them a whole new set of insurance considerations. In Ontario, if you're operating a drone delivery service, you're required to have liability insurance. This covers you in case your drone accidentally damages someone's property or causes injury. But it's not just about meeting legal requirements. Having the right insurance can protect your business from significant financial loss. Now, the cost of drone insurance can vary widely, depending on factors like the type of drone, its weight, and how it's being used. But don't worry, there are ways to save. For instance, some insurers offer discounts if you have a good safety record or if you've completed a drone training course. Remember, every situation is unique, so it's important to work with an insurance professional who understands the specific needs and risks associated with drone delivery services. That's it for today's topic. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about drone insurance or any other insurance matters in Ontario, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you're looking to save on your insurance costs, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to guide you on how to secure better insurance rates, typically 10% to 45% cheaper. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding your insurance is the first step to saving on it. Until next time, this is Francois Kern from Ontario Insurance Tips, signing off. Stay safe and insured, Ontario.